conducted the experiment in DSD lab. The experiment name is converting of 4-bit binary to the gray. First of all, what is the use of converting 4-bit binary to the gray means, if we take any consecutive numbers in the gray code, sometimes binary to gray code, sometimes it will match or sometimes it will get 1 and sometimes it doesn't match at all. So the main applications of this conversion of binary to gray is we use in CD, that means compact disc, as we use in our daily life. So in 4-bit binary to gray we have 2 power 4, that means 16 combinations. In 16 combinations we get, if we take any 2 consecutive numbers means sometimes it will match, as we know. So if we go to the experiment hit calculation of experiment binary to gray conversion.
Now you are using XOR gate to convert binary to gray. The XOR gate symbol is it is input and it is output. Now the truth table of XOR gate. Two inputs. If two inputs means it is 4 combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. If the both inputs are same, it is 0. If both inputs are different, 1 1. These two are inputs two are same, that's why it's 0. Now let us see the example for this conversion. Now B3, B2, B1, B0, it is LSB bit and it is MSB bit. Now 0 0 0 0. Now we take MSB bit as it is 0. Now we are performing XOR operation. 0 0, it means same. 0 0 0 0, same. XOR operation 0, XOR operation 0. Now we are getting gray code. It is G3, G2, G1, G0. Now we are taking another example 0 0 0 1. Now MSB bit as it is 0. Now performing a XOR operation 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is 0 1. 0 1 means 1, so it's 1. These are the gray bits. It is binary to gray conversions.
So this is the truth table for conversion of binary to gray, and we have completed 16 combinations. So if we plot these G3 gray bits in K mapping, we get these 4 types of K maps. So for expression for G0 is we get B1 XOR with B0, and for G1 B1 XOR with B2, and for G2 B2 XOR with B3, and for G3 is equal to B3. So if we plot, if we draw a circuit for these expressions which is obtained by the K map is like this circuit.
We done theoretical calculations. Now we'll perform it practically. This is the trainer kit of 4-bit binary gray converter to gray. These are the patch cards. This is the trainer kit to convert 4-bit binary to gray and gray to binary. Now let us see the connections. Considering these are the bits of binary numbers and these are the bits of gray numbers. Now connections are made like this. The first binary number to the first logic switch, and the second binary bit to next logical switch, and the third binary bit to the next logical switch, and the last binary bit to the last logical switch. Here we are going to operate in zeros and ones. If we push it frontwards, it is 1. If we push it backwards, it is 0. And the gray code should be given to the output logic indicator. G0 to first, G1 to second, G2 to third, G3 to last one. Now if we give a binary number here, we'll get a output in a gray code here. Now let us perform the experiment. In the circuit, take the binary number 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, gray code 0. Now taking B0 1 other zeros, the gray code is 1 0 0. Now taking B0 0, B1 1 and 0 0, we get gray code 1 1 0 0. Now taking B0 1, B1 1 0 0, we get gray code 0 1 0 0. Now taking binary code B0 0, B1 0 and B2 1, B3 0, we get gray code 0 1 1 0. This is the conversion of 4-bit binary to gray. As same, we need to convert other binary bits. We get the same output here, gray code. We have done the conversion from binary to gray. Now we are going to perform conversion to gray to binary. Now considering a gray code 0 0 0 0, even we perform this with the help of XOR logic. Now take MSB bit as it is. Now doing cross XOR operation 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, the respective binary code for the gray code. Now taking another example 0 0 0 1, this is the gray code. Now performing the XOR operation, take the MSB bit as it is, performing cross XOR logic 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. This is the gray code. This is the respective binary code for this gray code. This is a theoretical calculation to convert gray code to binary. Truth table to convert gray to binary. If we perform K mapping, we get respective logical expressions. If we draw a circuit diagram, logical circuit diagram for this respective logical expressions, we get a circuit diagram in this way. This is the logical circuit diagram of gray to binary converter.
Go for the connections of gray to binary. Take one patch cord and connect G0 to the first logic switch, and take another one, connect G1 to the next logic switch, and connect G2 to the next logic switch, and again G3 to the next logic switch. Now connect B0 to the logic indicator and connect B1 to the next logic indicator and connect B2 to the next logic indicator and B3 to the next logic indicator. Switch on the circuit. See, for Z0 0, G1 0, G2 0, G3 0, you are getting output as B0 0, B1 0, B2 0 and B3 0. Now considering the next bit, G0 is 1, G1 0, G2 0 and G3 0. We are getting output as B0 1, B1 0, B2 0 and B3 0. And consider the next bit, G0 0, G1 1, G2 0, G3 0. You are getting output as 1 1 0 0. And considering the next bit 1 1 0 0, you are getting output as 0 1 0 0. 1 1 1 1, we are getting output as 0 1 0 1. And this is the theoretical and practical verification of binary to gray and gray to binary conversion. Thank you all.